Hey guys, it's Vijay here and welcome back to our channel Vijay Stuff. So guys, today we are going to install and review these Caseology cases and tempered glass for our Google Pixel 6 smartphone. As you know that it's very risky to handle your smartphone without case while riding. So it's very necessary to have a good protection on it, like these type of Caseology walled cases, so that your smartphone can be protected. So let's check this case, and this case is very similar to the OnePlus One sandstone back design, and its texture is pretty much similar to that. This case is made up of thermoplastic polyurethane, which means this phone has the ability to absorb the shock very well while falling. As you know that most of the phones are damaged while impacting from the corners, so its corners are designed to absorb most of the shock from the ground. And on holding this case, it's feel pretty much solid. So let's put our smartphone into this walled case and see how it feels in our hand. And it sits properly and snappy, and the cutout of this smartphone is very precise. You can see it, and the protection on the cameras, it's very good. So its overall design feels premium and sturdy. For me, it's a good solid case. You can go for it. And now we will put this tempered glass on our phone, and for me it's a very unique tempered glass. I will show you in the video. This tempered glass has a different installation process that I will show you in this video, and now let me show you some of its features. It is a scratch resistant glass, has a very high clarity visibility, and has a 9H surface hardness, and it's a fingerprint resistant due to its nano coating on its surface, so it will not attract any fingerprint, smudges or dirt. And this tempered glass cost me around 1100 rupees. I will give you the link in the description box so you can check it out. So now let's open this box and we'll show you how to install this. It has a different process for installation, and I also had this experience for the first time. So let me show you. So this is the box, and these are the accessories in a box. This is a small packet in which you are getting a small cart and wipes and some sort of cleaning fabric. So this is the stickers for removing the dirt, and this is the fabric for cleaning, and these are the cleaning wipes, and this is the instruction card. And by following these instructions you can easily install this tempered glass onto your phone. And the unique part of this tempered glass is that it has a snap fit tray. By using that snap fit tray, it is very easy to install our tempered glass onto a phone. And this is a squeezy, so you can squeeze any bubble trapped while installation. And this is our snap fit tray, so you can fit this tray onto your Google Pixel 6 smartphone and put your tempered glass in between this. So I will show you in this video how to install this. So let's take this tempered glass. It has a 2-pair tempered glass. Let me take it out, and you can see it fits perfectly in our snap fit tray. And first of all, let me take off its case, and after that we will put our snap fit tray for installation. And before installation we have to clean our smartphone. And earlier I have installed a normal tempered glass of 40-50 rupees from the offline local market, and seriously guys, my fingerprint sensor didn't work, and you can see that very much fingerprint smudges and dirt is on the tempered glass, and for me it's of no use. So now let's take off this tempered glass from the phone with the help of the squeezy, and you can see this tempered glass comes off very easily without breaking. Yes. And now with the help of our wipes, cleaning wipes, we will clean our screen. And you can see that the cleaning wipes, it's very large, and normally you just see that only 1-inch wipes you will see in most of the cases, but in this you are getting pretty large wipes. And after cleaning the smartphone, let's put our snap fit tray onto our phone like this. Yes, it sits properly and fitted very well. and let me clean off some of the dirt. And now let's take our tempered glass and peel it off from the back side like this, and just put it inside the snapshot tray and just slide your finger from top to bottom and remove this upper sticker, and your tempered glass is installed properly. Yes, let me show you. Let me take it off the snapshot tray, and look at this, guys. It fits properly, and if you have any bubble remain in the tempered glass, you can just remove it with the help of this squeezy, and now your phone is ready to serve. So it's a very simple and a very quick process, and believe me guys, this tempered glass feels very premium and feels really smooth. So now let's power on the smartphone and let's see that our fingerprint sensor is working with this tempered glass or not. And yes guys, it's working pretty well. You can see it. It's working pretty well and pretty smooth. So I highly recommend this tempered glass because for me it feels really premium, very smooth. So you can go with this, and if you find this tempered glass for any of your other smartphone, you can go with this Caseology tempered glass. And now let's fit this Caseology case and let's see how it sits with this tempered glass. Whether this case is hampering our tempered glass or not, let's check it out. And you can see the cutout of this glass is really very precise and really very marginable. You can go with these. So guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.